Welcome to the African savanna, home to one of nature's most majestic creatures, the giraffe. Towering above the landscape, these gentle giants captivate our imagination with grace. With their long necks and distinctive patterns, giraffes are easily recognizable. But there's more to these animals than meets the eye. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Did you know that the male giraffe grows to 18 feet tall in height and the female giraffe grows up to 14 feet tall? Their height gives them an advantage in the wild, allowing them to reach foliage high up in the trees that other animals can't access. Despite of their awkward appearance, giraffes are very incredibly fast and agile. They can run up to about 35 miles per hour in speeds over a short distance, using their long legs to cover great strides. Each giraffe has a unique coat pattern, much like a human's fingerprint. These patterns serve as a camouflage, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. A giraffe gives birth standing up, and their calves face a dramatic entry into the world, falling from mom down about 6 feet to the hard, dusty and muddy, hot and sometimes cold ground. Within hours, the newborn calf is able to stand and walk on its own, ready to start their journey in the wild world to which it lives. Drinking water can be a big challenge for the giraffes. Their long necks and legs require them to spread their legs awkwardly to kneel down to get close to water on the ground, making them vulnerable to predators to attack them. As a result, giraffes do not drink frequently. They rely on the moisture from the plants they eat to stay hydrated. Next time you visit a giraffe, he may be thirsty for some water, so bring some with you. Giraffes are social animals. They are often seen in loose herds. They communicate using a variety of sounds, including moans, snorts and some hissing sounds, though much of their communication is nonverbal, relying on body language. Sadly, our giraffe populations are declining due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are crucial right now to ensure that the future generations can continue to marvel at these incredible creatures. As we watch these gentle giants roam the savanna, we're reminded of all the beauty and diversity of our natural wild world. The giraffe is not just a symbol of the African wilderness, it's a testament to the wonders of evolution. Thank you for joining your favorite, Snazzy Blue Way channel on this journey into the world of the amazing giraffe. Let's work together to protect and preserve these amazing and magnificent creatures for generations to come. Don't forget to subscribe, and go visit buymeacoffee.com, Snazzy Blue Way, to show your support to our campaign goal. We really need your help. It takes one good person to start the domino effect. Please let it be you. Thank you.